Hello, I'm Dr. Maitri Bhattacharya, visit consultant, hematologist or hemato-oncologist, AMRI Dhakuria. As you all know, AMRI Dhakuria Hospital is a well-known hospital in the city, and it has a very good hematology department which is running for more than 20 years with great success. I'm working here for more than 15 years. I'm attached to this hospital for more than 15 years. This department gives support for both inpatient and OPD patients also. We treat most of the patients in the OPD with both hematological disorders, benign and malignant. And you'll be very surprised to know that patients are coming to this department not only from Calcutta, not only from West Bengal, from Bihar, Odisha, Jharkhand, Bangladesh, and adjoining states and adjoining countries also. So this has become possible because of successful service what this institute, this hematology department is giving to the hematology patients. And we are treating patients with good care in the OPD. And sometimes it's really difficult for us to cope up with a huge burden of patients in the OPD, hematology OPD of AMRI Dhakuria Hospital. Not only a very good OPD service, it has a very good daycare also for the hematology patient. So all malignant patient who requires chemotherapy, intermittent blood transfusion, they are getting admitted in the daycare. We are trying to give them service through daycare. It is a very good trained RMOs, sisters, counselors in the daycare. So patient will come in the morning, get the therapy in the day time only, and will go back home by afternoon or by evening. So this daycare is a very good, successful part of hematology department of AMRI Dhakuria Hospital. About the inpatients, the patients who require a prolonged chemotherapy or other diagnostic procedures, we need to admit them in the inpatient. And for hematological disorders, the malignant hematological disorders, these are often a very complicated, serious patient. So they need a very good support of other departments also. AMRI Dhakuria Hospital has a very good transfusion medicine department with a MD transfusion medicine consultant in charge of that department. Critical care department of AMRI Hospital may be the best one in the country, possibly in the city possibly, and other departments like microbiology. It has a very good hematopathology lab also. So all the diagnostic procedures required for diagnosing the hematological disorder as well as for monitoring the patient, we are doing here only. So patients are getting service under the one roof. Any patients like lymphoma, myeloma, they require imaging service, so it has a very good radio diagnosis department from where we can give a CT, MRI, and even PET CT also to the patients. It has a very good radiotherapy department also, though most of the patients doesn't require radiation, but a few hematological malignancy patients, they require a radiation also. So that also they are getting here only. So this whole show is running with the dedicated and sincere staffs of AMRI Dhakuria Hospital, not only hematology but also other departments. And with this, we are providing very successful treatment for our hematology patients for almost more than 2 decades. I'll just give example of one or more two patients which we have treated very recently with success. One patient, AML is a almost dreadful disease where survival is very poor. I have a patient who is 91 years old, diagnosed as acute myeloid leukemia, and the patient has completed the chemotherapy. Now on maintenance therapy he is getting from home and he is fine. Another patient, a young lady diagnosed as acute myeloid leukemia, she had dengue and complicated with HLH. HLH is almost fatal in most of the cases. Even if you can diagnose in time, most of the cases the patient cannot be salvaged. But we could treat her, we could salvage her, and she went home today only. So these are the only few successful stories which I can give you within this short period of time. There are other patients also. We are treating thalassemia patient, hemophilia patient. We did a knee replacement surgery for a hemophilia patient also. That was, I'm thankful to my orthopedic colleague who did it with help of me, and this is a great success of MRI Hospital Dhakuria. So we are well equipped with infrastructure, with manpower. We have a very good hematology bone marrow transplant department also, with all facilities for autologous and allogenic bone marrow transplant. So this department will help you in wherever you are having any hematological problem. You can come to MRI Dhakuria Hospital, avail the facilities what we can give you, and you will feel that you are at home. You will not feel like you have come to an atmosphere like hospital. You will not be depressed, and you will be able to go back with the smiling faces. So we hope that with the help of all the other departments and hematology, we will be able to give you this service what we are providing till date with great success, and in future also will help you in your problem with hematological disorders. Thank you.